Hey, what's up, Reef Finance holder? This is live price prediction of Reef Finance coin, and Reef Finance is completely on the trending get a profit. So therefore, I am so happy and I am very excited to make this video because I love this video, my friend. Because I very hardly research for a Reef Finance holders to what we will need to do, what we will need, my friends, to do to get a profit. Let us start this brand video, but please, if you want more this type videos, now subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. And this time, my friend, the refinance price is hour by hour, a minute by minute increasing, so therefore the holders are very happy. 25.25% get a profit just in only in last 1 month, my brother. But definitely in previous days the coin were very badly fell down, but don't worry, remember everybody to after a short fails they will take a very huge jump down. So therefore I am so happy to, and I'm just only very excited today when my friends they hit this resistance line and get a more and more profit. Now if they will hit the resistance line, so therefore the percentage of price changing is going to be moving upward, increasing. So therefore I am very excited, very happy to they will easily hit this now. So my viewers, my subscriber, please, in upcoming days there is a chance so they will get a profit. But please, if you are hold, if you are starting selling, so they cannot get a profit, they were fails down. So thanks for watching. Refinance holder, please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.